From looser deer hunting rules to a new public hunting land, the state of Michigan is hoping it can renew interest in hunting and help preserve the impact caused by the growing deer herd. 13 on your side's Micah Cho spent time in Van Buren County today and shows us a new opportunity for hunters near Paw Paw.
This is the Paw Paw River State Game Area, over 300 acres of public hunting land here in southwest Michigan. And it was actually just acquired this year by the Department of Natural Resources, all in an effort to help get more hunters into deer blinds and tree stands.
It created public hunting land opportunities where those opportunities were very minimal previously. So in Van Buren County, there was almost no hunting lands available for public use.
For Rachel Lincoln with Michigan's Department of Natural Resources, opening day of firearms season for deer will be a special one for those in Van Buren County. The Paw Paw River State Game Area opened up in May to help offer more opportunities for public land fishing, trapping, and hunting.
And the Paw Paw River State Game Area is uniquely special because it borders on pieces of land that are owned by other conservation agencies and nonprofit organizations that focus on conservation.
According to Lincoln, a big factor of conservation relies on hunters and the purchasing of hunting licenses. However, the number of hunters in the state has decreased. 20 years ago, that number was 800,000. Now it's at about 600,000. Those lowering numbers having an increase in the Michigan deer herd. Wildlife biologists with the DNR say the population continues to grow and it's having an impact on crashes in West Michigan. Aaron McDonough, executive director of the Insurance Alliance of Michigan, says Kent County tops the list for car-related deer crashes.
So in 2023, there were 2,171 crashes. There's two other counties on the west side of the state that are also in the top 10 list. So you have Allegan County, which was 4th on the list, and Ottawa County, which is 6th on the list.
Now, we'll have a whole list of resources on public available hunting lands on our website, 13onyourside.com. In Van Buren County, I'm Micah Cho for 13 on Your Side.